Big news from the Delhi High Court. Actress Jacqueline Fernandez is in the spotlight as the court reserves its decision on her petition against the Enforcement Directorate, ED. The case involves a serious charge under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, or PMLA. Jacqueline is accused of receiving expensive gifts from jailed conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who's been accused of a massive 200 crore rupee money laundering scam. The ED claims that these gifts were part of Sukesh's criminal activities, but Jacqueline has always denied any wrongdoing. Jacqueline's petition challenges the ED's complaint. She argues that she should not be charged for money laundering just because she received gifts. According to her, there is no evidence linking her to any illegal activities. She claims she was unaware of Sukesh's criminal background when she met him. According to reports, Jacqueline says that she was simply a victim of Sukesh's manipulation. She insists that just because someone is a celebrity doesn't mean they know about the criminal activities of the people they meet. She also argues that the case is based on the assumption that receiving gifts is automatically linked to money laundering. Sukesh, who is currently in jail, has been accused of extorting money and committing fraud even while incarcerated, but Jacqueline maintains that she never helped him in his illegal activities. During the hearing, the ED argued that Jacqueline's case is not just about receiving gifts, but about her awareness of Sukesh's criminal background. They say her involvement could be considered as aiding in money laundering, despite her claims of innocence. Now, with the court having heard both sides, it's a waiting game. Will the court quash the charges against Jacqueline, or will the investigation continue? The decision is still pending. Stay tuned for updates on this high-profile case. What do you think? Should Jacqueline be held accountable, or is she just another victim of Sukesh's scheme? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.